As you know, the iPhone 15 series recently launched, and many of you probably consider moving from Android to iPhone. If you're thinking about making the switch, one crucial thing for you to keep in mind is transferring your WhatsApp data. Now, many users' first choice will probably be the move to iOS app for this task. But there's a major drawback. You need to reset your iPhone before initiating the transfer. And believe me, it is not fun to start from scratch. But this is not the only issue using the Move to iOS app. You can find on the internet various threads where people are complaining about things such as being stuck on the transfer. However, there is one solution for this, where you can transfer your data from Android to iOS without factory resetting your phone. Today's sponsor iToolab has created a software called WatsGo, which lets you transfer your data from Android to iPhone without resetting your phone. Let me tell you and show you why it is the superior way to transfer your data compared to move to iOS. First of all, WatsGo allows you to transfer your data in various directions, from Android to iPhone, or from iPhone to Android, from Android to Android, from iPhone to iPhone. However you want to do it, it is possible with WatsGo. Plus, you can enjoy a smooth transfer without long waits and without the fear of getting stuck. It is also capable of transferring large files, and you can selectively transfer your WhatsApp data. Enough of the talking, now let me walk you through the process of using iToolab's WatsGo. It is super easy and straightforward. First things first, let's head over to iToolab's website and download WatsGo. Simply click on the link in the description, click on free download, and you're good to go. Once the download is complete, install the software and follow these simple steps to transfer your WhatsApp data from Android to iPhone. So here I open WatsGo. Let's go to the WhatsApp transfer. Here you have the overview what you can transfer between the both phones. So now let's connect them. I have my Pixel 8 Pro and my iPhone 15 Pro Max here. The iPhone is already recognized. I have to open USB debug on the Pixel 8 Pro first. For this we need to open the developer settings on the Pixel 8 Pro. This you can do by simply click the build number multiple times, and you have to enter your PIN code, and you are now a developer. Fine, so now we can go search for USB debugging, and we have to enable it, allow USB debugging, and then allow from this computer. Now you can see it is connected successfully, and we go on transfer. It wants us that the iPhone's WhatsApp data will be overwritten, and if you want to confirm it, you have to click on continue. So if we want, we can also back up the iPhone's WhatsApp data if there is already any, but we will just now continue, and there we can check all the stuff we want to transfer. You can select whatever you want. If you just want to have the text messages or the pictures, or if you want to have even all the audio files, video files, document, animated GIFs, animated GIFs. Let me know in the comment, GIF or GIF, what do you prefer? Anyway, and then the voice notes as well. Continue. Now it tells us, please follow the tutorial below to turn on 64-bit end-to-end encrypted backup on the Pixel 8 Pro. So let's check out if we have it enabled. Go to the settings, on chat backup, end-to-end back is off. We have to turn it on, and then we have to use 64-digit encryption and generate your 64-digit key. This key we will screenshot now. Now you want to create an end-to-end encrypted backup. We will say yes, create it, and it will back up now. So it is done now, and now the transfer can begin. Now on the computer we have to enter our 64-bit code, for which we just took a screenshot before, and this we have to enter now. Then we click on verify, And now we have to log in on our iPhone with our WhatsApp data. So welcome to WhatsApp. Agree and continue. Now you log in the way you always do. Retrieving credentials. Is this the correct number? Yes. And we should receive a code now. The code is now on the Pixel 8 Pro. So we validate this code. Add our name. Done. And then we say we logged in. Now it tells us WhatsApp data has been transferred from the Pixel 8 Pro to the iPhone successfully. And that's it already. Your WhatsApp data has now successfully been transferred without the need to factory reset your phone. But wait, there's more. As a special treat for my viewers, iToolab is giving out a 40% discount code. Just head over to the promotion page, which are linked below, or just scan the QR code. That's all for today. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe for more tech content in the future. Until next time, and happy transferring.